cycle back up again, especially now that we're getting a funnel cloud sighting. We want to take this seriously as we can. So if you live in the northern part here of Adair County, this is northeast, by the way, of Columbia. Get into your safe spot, lowest level of your home. An interior room is the best place to be into as well. We always say that. And a lot of you are not able to have basements, so just keep in mind as you are in that area that you need to make sure that just to get into your interior room away from windows is the key on that. Clementsville is on the outer flank of that. This is still more of a gust line of front, gust front here across the leading edge with some damage and wind potential into that area as well. This thunderstorm cell, as it's moving out to the east, a lot of lightning here as well being indicated, a lot of heavy rain. And by the way, in Louisville, for that, you guys are wondering, just heavy rain here, in case you're wondering why I'm on, it's not because of what's happening in Louisville, it's all what is happening to our south and southwest. We get the radar back to the very beginning and get you back actually to the home view, and you'll be able to see that this lightning is very tremendous off to the south and east, but it's that little bit of that wiggle effect that we are having on the southeast corner here of wave countries, where we got these severe thunderstorms that are continuing to produce at least the potential for some damage and winds and perhaps even a brief funnel cloud report. So I got to stress the one in Taylor County. You guys are in the clear now in Taylor County. It's just a small little area here of Adair that we are keeping an eye on. So let me zoom into that just real quick here and show you guys the very latest thinking on that one as it's moving through the county. It's moving into Casey County, so it's about out of wave country entirely. It's right over Clementsville, but see how it goes upward here and then bends back and then bends back out again. It's right in here, this little notch. This is what we're tracking that can easily produce brief spin-ups, and it's not uncommon to see that happen. It's kind of a scenario. If in fact you were to look at this in a more of a shape, more like a letter type shape, you'll be able to see that we do have the ability here to see almost like a little comma that is developing here. It starts right in here across Adair County, and then it wraps up riding through here, and this is the reason that little comma shape is what's leading to that circulation right now that at least at the moment is causing the tornado warning to be extended just a few minutes longer there off to the east. Don't forget, you guys around portions of Marion County as well started the severe thunderstorm warning for the next few moments. In case you guys are wondering, this tornado warning for Adair County is going to expire at the top of the hour, but we're not going to make it to that point. You're going to be completely in the clear before we get to that point. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and send it back now to our program. The storm, the circulation now, from the way it's looking to me, has moved out of wave country and is now moving outside of our area and into Casey County. If you live in Liberty especially, just a heads up for you guys in Casey County that this storm has at least produced a funnel cloud the past few moments, and we want to keep a careful eye on that as it moves off to the east at a pretty good clip at the moment. The severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County, by the way, will expire as well coming up at the top of the hour. So stay in your safe spot in Casey County, northeast Adair County. You're in the clear at the moment. It looks like the storm now is moving into Casey and heading toward Liberty in the next few moments. We'll keep an eye on it and break back in if anything else develops. Keep it right here on Wave 3 News.
Transferable warranty means you're